Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the second last cash stuffing of the year 2022. It has been an absolute journey this year. It's been crazy. I just want to say thank you to everybody who has followed and subscribed and watched all my videos, whether they be cash stuffing related or just bargain buys or whatever the hell my interests take me at that particular time. I just want to say thank you very, very much, because it has been an astounding year. The amount of subscribers I've got this year has been insane, and yeah, it's just been absolutely insane. So guys, with that being said, again, thank you very much, and don't forget to hit and like that subscribe button and do all the YouTubey things as we do here. And let's get into it, guys. Today we have the biggest cash stuffing that I think I have actually ever done, because I didn't do one last week because it was my birthday and my brother came over from Ireland and gave me a little surprise visit, which I was not expecting, and it was amazing. It was so good to see him. I didn't do a cash stuffing that week because, well, I didn't do anything. So the money that I had, I just saved, and now I've put it with this week's cash stuffing, plus I've put a little bit extra to it as well. So we have a total of £450 right now to cash stuff and put away and do all the things. So folks, let's get into it. Let's cash it all up first, or rather count it all, make sure we have it where it is supposed to be. Right, well, I've made a right royal mess of this, but sure, anyway. 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 3, 2, 4, 6, 8, 4, 420, 430, 440, and 2 5s make it 250. That is 250 smackerinos. Look at the state of this penny challenge, lads. Honestly, we're on our last legs with this. Right, let's get cash stuffing. Here we are, and this is what we are doing today. 450 smackerinos. Right, first off, council tax is getting 50. So let's give it 2, 4, and 10 is 50. Because that bill is going to come around whether we like it or not, ladies and gentlemen. That is what that bill does. So I'm going to swap out these two tenors for another 20. And we should have 100 in here. Let's just check. 2, 4, 6, 8, 1. Perfect. That's that done. Okay, so the next one that we are stuffing is some water. So I don't actually know where I left that one. Oh, it's here. So we're going to put 50 into the water as well. So 2, 4, and 10 is 50. We are going to put 100 into childcare. 2, 4, 6, 8, 1. I'm going to pay all these in now on Monday just to get them rid of before the Christmas. 50 is going into Very. 2, 4, and 10 is 50. And ladies and gentlemen, we have 80 left to pay on the boys' beds, and we are doing that today. This is going to be gone. 2, 4, 6, 8. That bill is paid. That bill is now done and dusted. Oh my god. The direct debit actually isn't due to come out until the 1st or 2nd of January. But because of this cash stuffing journey, I have it all paid off interest free before it was even due. How cool is that? How cool. Right, so the rest we should have now is 120, and we are going to put that into our sinking fund. So let's just make sure we have enough. 2, 4, 6, 8, 120 schmeckerinos. And I haven't put anything in on food because we haven't been eating a great deal. More than, we're just kind of using up whatever's here before the Christmas, so we can do the Christmas shop and kind of have a free house. So let's see, what are we putting into this one? So into the house one, we are putting 50 into that. 2, 4, and 10 is 50. Now what this house fund, maybe it could be me paying off a little bit more on the mortgage, or it could just literally be anything. So holiday is getting 20, because we are going to have some plans for this year. Not quite sure what they are, but nonetheless they're coming. Sports is getting 20, which I'm actually going to pay this tomorrow because the boys have athletics that they need to go to. So the next one, so we have, let me see, we have the house, we have the holiday, we have the sports. Birthdays is getting 10, okay. And then insurance is getting 20 now. And the insurance isn't due to the summer, but nonetheless I want to be on top of it. Let's just get that going in there. Happy days. And that is everything. Not a lot in the sinking funds yet. Again, we're going to probably have more next month, or next year rather, because we're not going to be doing any more cash stuffings. This is going to be the end of it for this year. Next week what I want to do is I want to do the pennies challenge, but complete it, get it to where it's finished. So with that being said, let's start on this penny challenge. So that's the sinking funds and the cash stuffing done. And now we're on to this bad boy. Let's see how much is in here. Okay. So we have 2, 3, 4, 450, 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So that's 550. And then we've got some coinage. We have got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So 561 is what we've got today. Again, we know we don't have that kind of money in our thing. So let's break it down. What's the biggest number we can take? It's probably 406, which I can take. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 1 is 6. So we can take that one. Again, folks, don't forget to update your penny saving challenge apps or workbooks or whatever way you're working this out. And the next one we're going to do is £1, 20, £1.50. Where are we on this one now? £1.50 is here. And we have 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5p. So that's them. And hopefully in the new year I'm going to make out a new one of these penny saving challenges sheets and just have it in a better place. I might do a poll actually to see whether I will just use this one until I fill it and we'll continue on with this, or it'll be a case of next week we're actually going to count it and see how far we've come with saving in our penny saving challenge. I know it's not a great deal, but I reckon we have about 50 quid maybe. I must check my app actually and see how much I actually have in here. It'll be interesting to see. So I'm going to put the poll up in the community tab. Cast your vote there and let me see what you think. Folks, I'm going to love you and leave you because this is probably my longest cash stuffing video. My videos are usually very short for this. Have a great Christmas, guys, or Hanukkah or holidays or whatever you guys are celebrating. Just have a great one. It's going to be amazing. Santa's going to come, Father Christmas, Pierre Noel, whatever you call him. He's going to come and it's all going to be so exciting for the kiddos. Folks, I shall see you next week for the final cash stuffing of 2022. Best of luck and I'll talk to you real soon. Good night. Goodbye. Mwah.